Yo, what's up guys? Hope everyone's feeling good today. I just pulled up. I'm here in Orlando. I'm going to be doing a podcast / radio show today. To be honest, I'm not even sure what the name of it is. Tony, who we skated with yesterday, I think he works there or it's his friend, so popping in doing that now. And then I'm not really sure where I'm going to skate. I might drive to Cocoa Beach, might stay around here. I don't really know. But I do know I got to be careful with the driving because a viewer commented about my knee pain that it might be from driving so much. And I started thinking about it, started researching it, and if you drive for a long period of time and your leg is kind of, bent sideways, that could, feel off. And I'm getting old now, so I'm getting injured in my car rides, not even when I'm skating. So I'm going to try to be conscious of that and keep it straight. Maybe that's it, because I was aware of it yesterday and didn't skate too hard, and it's feeling a little bit better. So hopefully that's it, and it's not anything too serious. But yeah, let's go in there and do this podcast.
What's going on?
Hey, what's up?
What's going on, man?
Hey, Chad, how you doing? Tom, good to meet you.
How are you?
Good. How's it going?
We are live, but I just like to say that. Good to see you, man.
Nice
Daniel,
to meet you. How's it
pleasure
going?
to meet
Yeah.
you. Thanks for being here, y'all.
Grab a seat on the couch.
Make yourself at home. We're live on YouTube and Twitch, though, right now. Just water.
Sounds good. Nah, I'm all right. Thanks.
Thanks for being here, y'all. Very cool to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How's it going?
Good.
It is, not bad.
Yeah?
A little colder out there than I like it, but can't complain about that, really.
Hey, I'm coming from New York, so that's a...
Yeah,
That's
way different.
I rode a skateboard from New York.
That's a long.
Alex is traveling by skateboard forever now. It'll take me a while. He skateboarded from Venice Beach.
You never
to
talk about skateboarding.
Virginia Beach.
Oh, feats of strength.
Yeah, feats
gotcha,
of strength.
Gotcha.
Set a Guinness Book of World Record for, I guess, longest skateboarding distance in the United States. Wrote a book about it called Pushing Through America, which is available at chadcaruso.com. There's a documentary in this summer coming out.
Yes.
And with us in studio, Chad Caruso. How
Hey,
you doing,
hey.
Chad?
How's it going? Thanks for having me.
Hey,
Good,
thanks for
good.
being here, man. Appreciate the time.
Did you tell yourself, man, I can go distances, I'm just good at
That
it?
is a
Oh,
skill.
I had no idea. Before this trip, I never pushed a couple of miles.
Oh, okay.
No
So,
idea.
all right,
I was only doing tricks for 20 years or so maybe I had, a little bit of strength.
But you
built
are a
in.
skater, right?
Yeah, I've been doing that for a while.
Okay, so it's not like you were like, hey, it's a
No.
skateboard thing. Hey, I'm going to give it a shot. Hey, it's two guys.
And you start thinking about what's my next adventure.
Yeah.
Do you have one in mind?
I got a couple ideas, but I just try to suppress them as fast as possible until they just inevitably come out.
Well, Chad, thanks so much for coming in.
Oh,
It's
thanks for
very
having me
nice
on.
to
It was really
meet you.
fun. Yeah,
Thanks
good
for
talking to
being
you
here,
guys.
dude. You were here. We've been waiting for that for 30 years.
That's awesome.
We hit singularity and the computer shut down.
More disciplined than soccer. All right, we will be right back.
Awesome. That's super funny. Still on Twitch and YouTube, though.
Nice.
You're hanging out, right, Tony?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And then we'll just go straight
Yep.
into the
Works for me.
drink approach.
Yep.
Nice.
Thanks
Cool.
for
That's
being
fun.
here,
You guys
man.
got great radio voices.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
appreciate that, man.
Nice.
We appreciate that.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for coming in.
We really appreciate you
Thanks.
being here.
Well, dude, it was good meeting
Hey,
you.
thanks for having me on.
Yeah, no
Appreciate it.
problem.
Anytime, man.
Mhm.
Good luck with your event on Wednesday.
Thank you, Tony. Thanks for connecting us. I appreciate it.
Let me take a quick photo. It's
Yeah, portrait.
yeah.
Let's do it.
Perfect.
Nice. Thanks,
All right,
man.
man.
Appreciate it. Thanks for everything.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Yeah, it's fun.
All right,
See you. Tell those guys I said thank you again.
Yeah.
All right, that was really fun. Shout out to Tom and Dan. That was one of the best interviews I've ever done. It was just kind of fun, flowed really naturally. Yeah, now let's go hit the skate park. All right, guys, just pulled up to Satellite Beach Skate Park. Please don't let me upload another video without changing my board. This thing is just absolutely wrecked. And with the daily vlog, it's so hard to just have some downtime to want to sit and change the board, but it's got a crack in the middle, it's waterlogged. I don't even know how many months I've been skating it, so it's got to be changed by tomorrow. Yeah, that's good.
How are you?
How you feeling?
Good. How you feeling?
Doing good. This is home base here.
Pretty much. Yeah. This is like the Tanner of down here. Yeah.
Looks fun.
Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, it gets old, but that's like every park you skate every day.
Give me a quick tour of the park.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
not a bad park. It's fucking pretty mellow.
Yeah, it's fun.
There's just fucking
Yeah.
little random things.
Later. I'll see you. Maybe I'll see you Wednesday.
Yeah, probably.
Later. I don't think there's a better feeling in the world than grinding pool coping like that. That was seriously so satisfying. Just a few tricks I did made the whole session worth it. Also, didn't hurt my knee. Didn't really aggravate it. I had a couple falls, jumped off weird, and it's feeling okay. So that's a plus because that was really hurting me the past couple of days. Took it easy yesterday, and it definitely helped. But yeah, really fun session. Love watching Christian skate. That kid rips. Such a good style. And yeah, tomorrow I'm going to be cruising this area, probably hitting parks around here. So I'll see you guys then.